Hi everyone, Danny from Elite Motor Solutions. There's one question what we've been getting asked quite a bit, and that's how can repair costs vary from one accident repair centre to another. And in this video I'll explain the causes and what can make that happen and why the cheapest option is almost never the best. So one of the biggest factors is what parts are used while repairing your vehicle. Here at Elite we always use new genuine parts, whereas some other garages use either non-genuine parts or they'll use green parts like second-hand parts to keep the cost of the repair down. The next difference is repair versus replace. So some repair centres will repair as much as possible to keep the cost of parts down, but whereas this door on the left hand side, to us that's way too far gone and 100% needs replacing. The door on the right hand side, that's only a small dent, so you can pull that out, minimal filler, and you'll never notice. Another huge factor in the repair cost is whether the repair centre follows manufacturer methods. So we base all our estimates from manufacturer methods. Your repair cost starts with your estimator, who has to identify all issues with the vehicle, all safety aspects of the vehicle to ensure that the repair is done correct, upholds the warranty and ensures the vehicle is safe to go back on the road. And then another aspect is the labour rates. So a shop that doesn't invest in the staff or its equipment can do it a lot cheaper than a shop that spends thousands investing in the staff and in equipment to make sure the repairs are quality every time. So bottom line is, every repair centre works differently, but if you are after a repair, make sure you choose one that uses genuine new parts, follows all manufacturer methods, pays attention to detail and make sure that your repair is going to uphold the manufacturer's warranty. So if you've been involved in an accident, call us first and we can take care of everything for you.